This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbato. Great home in move-in condition. Large open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2 beautifully newly redone bathrooms. Per appraisal living square feet. 1,846. Updated kitchen with solid wood cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Tile flooring throughout entire home. Larger than tax rolls. Large covered patio opens up to nice backyard. 2 storage sheds. Fantastic cul-de-sac location, within walking distance to park. Home is in really good condition, very clean and ready to be moved into. Very low HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbato at 305-271-4350.